In the dense Amazon rainforest, one can encounter a local tribe known for their incredible survival skills, passed down through generations. They thrive by harnessing every resource the jungle offers, using plants not just for food, but for medicine and tools as well. Each member is taught essential techniques like building natural shelters and identifying edible plants. Moreover, their deep understanding of animal behavior helps in tracking and foraging, ensuring their survival thrives amidst the green chaos. Emphasizing nature education, they demonstrate how respecting and learning from the environment can transform one's approach to wilderness survival. This profound connection with nature highlights the endless possibilities of survival skills.